Hey everyone, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Just thought I'd pop on real quick. I'm doing something a little bit different this morning, and sometimes I forget that I should be videotaping some of these things that I am doing. So I've been working on just something a little different here the last couple of days. I'll show you real quick what I've been doing. I had a old pour. This is a 12 by 12 inch little canvas that I had done just a little pour, and you can see this background right here was my original pour. It was kind of a red, silver, black, and I just thought it needed something in addition, so I decided to hand paint some roses, and I wanted to make it look more like a stained glass look. So I kind of split it up to really make it look like stained glass on top of this original pour. So I made just a few roses and a butterfly, and I'm currently finishing up the butterfly as we speak. The roses and the butterfly that I did paint on there were just using Liquitex Basics paint, acrylic paints. This is a, well, actually I didn't use this one on that. I used Arteza. I use this Liquitex Basics for the butterfly, along with this Liquitex Basics for the butterfly. So 3 different purples that I used for the butterfly. Just hand painted those on, and then I used a mixture of this acrylics paint. This is a it's a red. That's what that one is. And then a mixture with the Arteza. This is a pearl papaya mixed in with the red to come up with the kind of the two-toned colors that you see for the roses. And so they're kind of like split up, looking similar to a stained glass look. Now I'm just taking actually this little pen and gear marker along with the posca marker. And I'm just going to fill in and outline the painting that I just did. So I'm currently working on the butterfly, and I'm just filling in those gaps just to help define it a little bit better on this painting to make it stand out a little bit more. And I'm just filling in the gap with this marker as we see. So yeah, that's all I'm doing with this. It's kind of fun to do, but yeah, I'm just gonna put you on fast forward real quick and get going with this one.